Alright, first off, we got some ODIs in orange. Next, for bars, we have the S&M Perfect 10s, but I have them cut down to 28s instead of 30s. It's like, I like that better. And then my stem is band down to my headset. Primo. And then we'll go down to the forks. The forks are Odyssey Race. Odyssey, you can see that. Then the front tires, Demolition Momentum tire with E-Clap tripping rim and Primo N4 hub. Colt OS V3 frame, 21.25 top tube. And then seat is the Bone Death vibrator, the fat seat. Animal wedge seat post. Integrated clamp. Cranks or Sputnik playbacks. 48 spline with Shadow Ravager pedals. Shadow Crank and Bone sprocket, 28 teeth. Orange KMC Z410 chain. And then my back wheel is Demolition tire, E-Clap rim, and then Primo Remix hub, left-hand drive, and I'll do a hub sound right now. Alright, and that's my bike.